Welcome to HP Customs. Just want to give you a review on my Superlift dual steering stabilizer install. I ordered the whole Superlift kit, which comes with the dual steering stabilizers and the 12-inch springs with 4-inch blocks in the rear. And the stabilizer kit, usually I go with the two that are stacked right here so that you can see the diff cover a little better. So I thought I'd try something different on this one, and I'm very happy with the install. Super easy to do. All you do is you drop these two U-bolts right over the axle. Got to bump it up right to the housing. And that's it. There's no measuring. As long as that U-bolt is up to the housing, should be center. Plate goes on the bottom. All of the U-bolts in this thing fit wonderfully. Just dropped right in holes. Then you bolt your little shock mounts here. You have to spread the shocks out about 4.5 inches if I remember correctly. Just a couple little U-bolts, mount the plates on, and that's it. It's set. What I'm not impressed with is Superlift's packaging. When you get their shocks, you get all of those in the box with your shocks, creating all sorts of nice little scratches all over your brand new shocks. So Superlift, you get a fail on your packaging. Really love the stabilizer kit though. Worked out well. And next, right now, I'm doing a Pro Comp dual shock mount. These are super cheap. I think Canadian, they're about 80 bucks or so. And it comes with the bolts for the upper and lower. And all you gotta do is run the top bolt in, let your two top shocks hang, and then you can just drill top and bottom holes, put the bolts in. The bottom has one big bolt that goes through with some spacers, and that's it. So that's what I'm doing later today. But all in all, it's going well, having fun doing it. Superlift, thanks for your lift kit. Had a few problems with it, but it looks awesome. Thanks for watching.